In free time, I've got a big Doberman dog, 50-kilo dog, and he takes some looking after. But he's my best friend, really. I like horse racing and football in terms of sports, and I do a bit of gym work. Well, try and look after myself, but I eat too many fatty foods. Hi, I'm Paul Clayton. I'm the warehouse manager for ASAFE at Elland. I've been with ASAFE 2 years now, and I came as an assistant warehouse manager, and I was promoted as a warehouse manager in April 2022. Journey started at a greeting card company between 30 and 34 years ago. I worked there for 16 years. I moved to a toy company for 9 years, and I went to a stationery business for another 9 years. Saw an advert come up for ASAFE and I fancied a new challenge. Spoke to the operations director who presented well in terms of where the vision of the company were going. So I thought, why not give it a try? My biggest achievement is doing the role I'm doing, really, in terms of when I was 18, 19, 20, I went into warehousing. I became a warehouse operative after about 6 months. I was given the opportunity to look after 6 to 8 people, and it kicked on from there, really, in terms of where I worked for 16 years. I developed, I'd say that to anybody. If you're willing to put that effort in, then you've got more of a chance to go up the ladder. ASAFE's helped me achieve the goals. We set some targets, projects earlier on last year in terms of the transport. Behind me you can see the transport company we've got. We had 4 or 5 transport companies. We whittled that down to 2. It helps us and our customers, and overall there was a saving for the business and we provide a better service. ASAFE's future, I can see, is just going to grow and grow. The site investment with the automation in front of me, which is about probably 6 to 8 weeks off completion. Very exciting times. So I'm just passionate, take pride in my job. I've been given an opportunity for some exciting times ahead, and I'm willing to put that time and effort in. I'm committed to this business. As long as they need me, I'm here.